औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम सूरह बकरा आयत 148 वलिकुल्लिन वजहतन हुवा मवल्लीहा फस्तबकुल खैरात ऐना मा तकूनु याता बिकुमुल्लाहु जमीआ इन्नल्लाहा अला कुल्लि शैइन कदीर। English translation of this verse: For each religion following is a directions toward which it faces, so race to all that is good, wherever you may be. Allah will bring you forth for judgment altogether. Indeed, Allah is over all things competent. Word to word translation of this verse: Walikulli, and for each, wajhata, direction, huwa, he, mawalliha, turn to, fastabaku, so race, al khairatu, to the good deeds, aina, wherever, ma, whatever, takunu, you are, yata, will bring, bikum, you, Allah, jami'an, all together, inna, indeed, Allah, Allah is over, kulli, every, shay'in, thing, qadir, competent. Explanation of this verse: This verse emphasizes the diversity in religious practice and the common goal of striving for goodness. Each community has its own directions of prayer, Qibla, but the essential message is to compete in doing good deeds. The verse reassures believers that regardless of their physical location, Allah will gather them all together on the day of judgment. The focus is on the unity of purpose in doing good and the omnipotence of Allah, who is capable of bringing everyone together from wherever they may be. It encourages a proactive approach to performing good deeds and assures that Allah's judgment will encompass all. Reason for revelation of this verse: This verse was revealed in the context of the change of Qibla, which caused confusion and controversy among the believers and the people of the book, Jewish and Christian. The change from facing Jerusalem to facing Mecca in prayer was a significant shift, and this verse served to address concern and reaffirm the broader, more inclusive message of Islam. The emphasis on racing to good deeds highlight that while specific practice and directions may vary, the ultimate goal is to seek Allah's pleasure through righteous action. This helps to unify the community under a common purpose and remind them of omnipotence of Allah in bringing everyone together for judgment.